everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my August plan with me. For this month's theme, I decided to go with the sun theme. I just thought that because I am back home in Texas where it's really hot, I figured that doing a theme for the sun would be appropriate, especially because it's so hot down here. It's almost always 100 degrees and it's extremely humid all the time. So I decided why not just do a sun theme. And also I really love the color yellow. I love how happy it feels. So here I'm using all of my Tombow brush pens. First I started off with the yellow, then I made some details, and then I'm going in with an orange Tombow brush pen, and then I'm going in now with a zebra brush pen to write out the title of the On to the next page. I am going to start with my brain dump. Here I am outlining half of a sun. I'm using this very neon highlighter yellow Tombow brush pen to write out the words brain dump. It's really hard to see on here, especially because it's so bright, but I love how neon-y it looks, I guess, because it's just so bright and colorful. I just really enjoy how happy this color yellow is. On the left side of the page, I am going to be doing my monthly to-do, basically everything that needs to be done for the month of August. I really like the way that this spread keeps me organized for the month. It keeps me on track for everything, especially now since finals week in August. Using that same pen, I'm going in and outlining one side of the letters for the words brain dump. And that is my spread. Over on the next page is my monthly calendar. I really enjoy having my calendar laid out the way that I do every single month. I don't change it very often, only because I love the way that it's organized. Now with the same yellow Tombow brush pen, I'm going in to highlight all of the top lines of the date and filling them in nice and yellow. Here I'm writing out the words August and drawing a nice sun on the side. This is one of the easiest spreads I've ever done. Next, I'm filling in the dates. On to my next page is going to be my weekly spread. So I decided to be a little bit different for this weekly spread. I wanted to write or kind of draw out some boxes to kind of help me keep organized. I love the way that my last month's weekly spread turns out, but this month I just wanted to have something organized so that I can keep everything together for this month. I don't know about you guys, but I like using a ruler to kind of draw out all of my lines that I've pre-made. I don't know if it's weird to kind of just do that for everything, but I personally like to do it. I like to have nice and straight lines, but I know that there are some people who actually just freehand the whole thing, which is like amazing. So here I'm filling in the box black so that I can use my white pen. For the small details, I'm going to go in with my yellow Tombow marker, and then I'm filling in a black line at the bottom. Here I'm going to be writing out the dates of the month so that I can see the entire month during my weekly spread. Now I'm going in with my signal ball, uni ball pen, and filling in the details. The top I have my notes, and then the middle box is going to be my to-do list. With the same yellow marker, I'm going to be doing a drop box shadow with all of my boxes. I realized that there are only 6 boxes, but I need 7, so I eventually came back and filled in another box. Here I'm going in with a zebra brush pen, an orange zebra brush pen, and writing out the days of the week. On the right side, I am just doing a box for all of my homework. This is basically my hell week. It's all my finals, so I just have to have a long box for it. Here is my flip through of everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video. Leave me a nice comment, subscribe for more, and thank you guys so much for watching.